hope you can hear that. So once again, we have these weird noises that I'm hearing outside of my bedroom. I'm recording outside of my bedroom window. This just happened like a week ago. Now we're hearing them again. This just happened a week ago today. What the fuck is that, man? That's crazy. I still don't know what that is. Somebody's popping off. I hope you can hear that. I'm pretty sure you can. It's pretty loud here. As always, the dogs are going ape shit around this neighborhood. I don't know if it's to do with the noise or what, but I don't know. It just seems like they're always barking. But they're barking like crazy right now. Well, it seems like the sound has stopped. I just heard it and then I opened the window up right away. Because I figured it would be something